Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Satram. So, today we are going to see first lecture on sequence. Okay. So, let's start today's topic. So, what is sequence? A sequence. What is the definition of a sequence? A sequence is a function f whose domain is set of natural number and codomain R. Actually, we are talking about real sequence. That is why we are taking codomain as R. If we talk about sequence, complex sequence, we will take C here, but N will be 6. For a sequence, domain is always N. So sequence is a function from natural number to R. Okay. For example, so if this is a sequence, note that so if F from natural number to R is a sequence, put an is equal to Fn for all n belongs to natural number n. Okay. Then what is A1? A1 is equal to F1. A2 is equal to F2. Okay. A3 is equal to F3 and so on. Finally, general term is An is equal to Fn, like that. Okay. Okay. So, so therefore, for we denote a sequence by an. Okay, because we are taking an is equal to fn, so we will denote a sequence by an. Okay. Okay, so an is called nth term of this sequence an. Okay, now examples we are taking. So if an is nth term of a sequence, then what can you say? What can you say? So this implies A1, what will be A1? A1 is first term of sequence. A2, second term of sequence AN. Okay. So like that. Okay. So like that, we can talk about terms. Okay. Now example one. So we are taking this sequence 1 upon n. So an is equal to 1 upon n is this. So first term is a1 is equal to, you put the value 1 upon 1, that is 1. A2 value is 1 upon 2. A3 value is 1 upon 3 and so on. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now, second example. Okay. Second example, you take this sequence minus 1 to the power n. So an is equal to here minus 1 to the power n. If I will take n is equal to 1, then put here, what is this? This is 1. So a2 is equal to minus 1 to the power square, that is 1. Okay. So a3, what is this? A3? A3 is minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus 1. A4 is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 1, and so on. So finally, what you see that if we are taking an odd number, we are getting minus 1, and if we are taking n is equal to 2, 4, 6, it means odd even numbers, we are getting 1. So what is an? An is equal to minus 1 if n is odd natural number, and this is 1 if n is even natural number. Okay. So third example, I'm taking this. I'm taking this 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n. Okay. So what is this an? 1 plus 1 to n to the power n. So what is this? What is first term? 1 plus 1 upon 1, 1. That is 2. A2 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2, 3 by 2 square, 9 by 4. A3 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 to the power 3, 4 by 3, 64 upon 27. Okay. And so on. Okay. So this way. So these are our examples. Can be many examples. Okay. Now, range of a sequence. Sequence. Let A and be a sequence. Then the set A n such that n belongs to natural number is called range of this sequence A n. Okay. So for example, I'm taking this sequence. Okay. I'm taking this sequence 1 upon n. So what is the range of? So an is equal to 1 by n here. So range of this sequence 1 upon n is nothing but 1 upon n. N belongs to natural number. So we can expand it if we want 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 upon n. Okay. Example 2. If I'm taking this one, so what is the range of this sequence? So I'm taking this, n belongs to. If n is a odd number, you will get minus 1. If n is a even number, you will get 1. So what is range? 1 minus 1. Okay. So example 3. If I am taking this sequence So what is the range? Range of, so what is this? This is 3 by, this is 2. Okay. This is 2. This is, okay. This is 9 by 4. And this is 64 upon 27. And like that. Okay. Now I am taking another sequence. I'm taking this sequence. Example 4. And this is also sequence. So what is the range of this sequence? This is n. N belongs to natural number. So what will be this set? This will be exactly n. This will be 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is natural number set. Okay. Okay. So this lecture up to this, in this lecture, we have discussed what is the definition of a sequence and example of sequence and what is the range of sequence. Okay. So today's lecture up to this, if you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you for next lecture. Thank you very much.